G'day everybody, what an awesome day it is out in the bush. Heading out, that's what we got. Beautiful. I'm feeling pretty good. It's been 2 weeks now since I've had my injury, my shoulder. It's slowly starting to get a bit stronger. Next Friday, or this Friday coming, I have an appointment with the surgeon. It's only a video link call, so hopefully you'll have a look at all the x-ray, CT scans and stuff like that and let me know what's going to happen. Oh my god, I'm hoping I don't have to have surgery. That'll be just brilliant. I'm starting to get some movement back my arm. My pain's resided, so I don't have that pain. I can sleep. Back in my bed, so that's really good. And I've decided today I've got a bit of a job I've got to go and do, and I'm going to go and start a bloke that's been working for me before, and we've got quite a lot of work there. So and it's all that FC weatherboards, the Scion I think they call it, linear. So there's about 150 meters of that to do, and I'll just probably be I'll see what I can do. You know, I'll be supervising and making sure it's all done properly. And it's going to have 3 coats of the Weather Shield satin, this one. So we're going to gap it, prep it, and then spray it. Obviously I can't be spraying. My bone's healing now, so it is, if I lift my arm more than say 6 inches, it is hitting. So we'll see what happens. I just thought I'd give you a bit of a catch up on what's happening with me. Thanks everybody for your well wishes. Appreciate it. It always helps mentally that you know other people are have been through the same or similar thing as myself. Yeah, so this is it. So we're heading out to the same bush area, except another house in a similar area. So that's what we've got. It's about 6:40 in the morning. We've got a shitload of fog. It's all good. Anyhow, I just want to let you know that I appreciate your well wishes, and stick with us and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe. I still have a few more videos on this other house out in the bush that I'm sure you'll enjoy. Yeah, I'm not useless. You see I'm holding the steering wheel, and the one I'm holding the camera in is my left arm. Now, I am a little bit ambidextrous, so I can paint. I'll probably paint better than a lot of newbies and a lot of slow painters with my left hand alone. I'd like to actually have a bit of a race with someone, with me using my left hand, them using their right hand, and see how we go. But anyhow, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. Thanks very much, and stay awesome, hey?